welcome back to today's video. If you are an aspiring YouTuber and are not sure where to get it started, especially if you are in India and want to know where is the place you need to go finding for the right things, if you are into content creation and want to get started on YouTube, because I know it can be really overwhelming, because been there, done it, amen. But yeah, I really hope you find today's video helpful, because I've been on the internet for a hot minute. I started when I was 18. I literally started on an iPhone, and today I have this really gorgeous setup that is really working for me. And yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how to get started with your YouTube channel in 2024 with the help of Indian Amazon, then please keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, to start off with, I'm gonna be like that elderly sister who's just gonna be out there and tell you the most cliched advice you've ever heard when it comes to content creation, that is, get started. I know you are worried about the judgmental looks and thoughts and views of everyone, especially in your circle, your college, because yes, I've been there, done that, amen. But yeah, just get started. I know we all thought making TikTok was so cringe, but I kid you not, today those same TikTokers have a bigger and heftier bank balance and following than any of us combined. So yes, and I have been there too. I thought TikTok was cringe as and as a result, I never even downloaded the app for the sake, and I thought it was a flex. And guess what? COVID happened, lockdown happened, and we got onto Reels, and now everybody and our mothers are making a Reels. That's literally like sasta version of TikTok. So yeah, I mean, we're all here doing the exact thing that we all at one point thought was super cringe. Ab yes, ये सब मैंने ज्ञान दे दिया. अब आते हैं मुद्दे की बात पे. Let's talk about all things that you need to get started with. Alright, number one on the list we have is to use your camera. Now I know getting a camera of your own can be a really expensive splurge, and it's not an easy one as well. However, you can always get started with your own cell phone, be it an iPhone and Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, कोई भी हो, आपको बस आपके कैमरा से, फोन के कैमरा से चालू करना है. Just get comfortable with it, because even today I am not that comfortable with camera in the first shot. Now that I'm recording it in this flow, it took me 3 tries, and I know मुझे काफ़ी comments आजकल आते हैं कि मैं बहुत हाथ हिलाती हूँ मेरे videos में, so I'm gonna try and avoid doing that, or maybe try to reduce that. So yeah, all of these constructive criticisms and all of these suggestions do take time, because after all हम सब इंसान हैं. So yes, please get started with just your phone. However, my journey, I will tell you, I started off with my iPhone. I had like iPhone 5s, like I started that time. So yes, it worked really well. My first video is literally on that. If you want to check out my first video, I'm going to leave a link here. It's a beautiful haul video, so you can check that out. However, what I'm currently shooting is not actually a DSLR, but a point shoot camera. Now, I realized कि DSLR बहुत bulky होता है and उसमें बहुत technicalities होती है. My knowledge is not there अभी भी. So I knew I wanted something which is like a vlogging style camera, you know. So I did land up getting a Sony camera back in the day, and it worked really beautifully for me. However, I don't think so it's anymore available in the market. However, recently, last Diwali, I got myself this beautiful camera that I'm recording right now on, and this is the Sony V1 Zoom something. I'm gonna leave the correct model name on the screen and also leave a link in the description, because yes, मैंने ये Amazon से खरीदा. I know Amazon से electronics खरीदना बहुत like टेंशन वाली बात हो जाती है, but I have gotten so many electronics from Amazon at this point. I got my iWatch from there, I got my AirPods from Amazon, and even this camera. And don't worry, इसमें पूरा वारंटी आपको मिलता है, just like store bought. Because मैंने मेरा जो पहले वाला सोनी का व्लॉगिंग कैमरा था वो भी मैंने स्टोर से खरीदा था, एंड उसके साथ मुझे एक प्रॉपर वारंटी लेटर एंड सब कुछ मिल गया था. जस्ट लाइक जब भी मैंने Amazon से खरीदा, बॉक्स के अंदर ही सब वारंटीज एंड सब डॉक्यूमेंटेशन अच्छे से रखे हुए थे. आई रियली एंजॉय दिस. I don't have to do absolutely anything. ये automatically auto focus करता है. Like for instance, can you see ये automatically मेरे हाथ के ऊपर focus करा, मेरा background पूरा blur हो गया. Whereas instantly it will now focus on me. So ये काफ़ी amazing है, and it just works beautifully. Yes. So if you are looking for one, this is the one to get. Alright, number 2 on the list is something that I wish I had done sooner because मुझे काफ़ी बार लोगों ने बताया है कि मेरा कंटेंट काफ़ी अच्छा है बट मेरी लाइटिंग के ऊपर मुझे बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता था एंड आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. अभी मेरा बेडरूम काफ़ी छोटा है एंड आई कांट प्लेस लाइट्स. मैं कहाँ लगाऊँ, लाइक मैं अभी भी ढूंढ रही हूँ जगह, मैं कहाँ लगाऊँ लाइट्स जिससे मेरा शूटिंग ख़राब ना हो एंड यू नो आई गेट अ नाइस क्वालिटी वीडियोज़. एज अ रिजल्ट आई डिड इन्वेस्ट इन टू अ रिंग लाइट. Now when it comes to ring light, I know Amazon के ऊपर बहुत सारे options है and मेरे काफ़ी सारे friends ने Amazon से ring lights खरीदी है. However, that is one thing I will not suggest you to get from Amazon because personally मेरे सारे friends के जो मैंने ring lights देखे हैं वो extremely flimsy है, like बहुत चीप क्वालिटी के हैं. अभी तो काफ़ी चलो सस्ते हो गए हैं रिंग लाइट बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज मदर्स आर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स अभी. बट मुझे किसी की भी क्वालिटी पसंद नहीं आई. मैंने काफ़ी सारे फ्रेंड्स के देखे, काफ़ी ब्रांड्स के देखे हैं, मुझे तो पसंद नहीं आया. सो पर्सनली आई विल सजेस्ट फॉर यू टू गेट इन्वेस्टेड इन टू अ रिंग लाइट एंड डोंट गेट लाइक सो रिंग लाइट में भी ना बहुत सारे साइजेस आते हैं, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज. I will personally suggest you to go for a medium or a large size because that will not only cover your face but it will also cover your background. So personally मेरे पास जो ring light है वो एक medium size की है and I actually got it from a store and I did an unboxing of that because obviously it was such a huge deal for me and I think वो video भी मैंने obviously internet पे डाली हुई है. It's like a 3-5-year-old video and I kid you not अभी I think मैंने ring light कुछ 5-8 तो हज़ार की नहीं होगी but I think कुछ 6,500-7,000 मैंने सब डिटेल्स वो वीडियो में दिए हुए हैं. बट वो आज तक चल रही है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई है. एंड मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स जिसने भी अमेजोन से खरीदे हैं उन सबकी रिंग लाइट तो टूट गई है, चल नहीं रही है, ऐसे पता है वो ऐसे हिलती है लाइट, वैसे कुछ हो रहा है 1-1.5 साल में या फिर एक साल में पकड़ लो आप. सो आई विल हाईली एनकरेज यू टू गेट अ लाइट एंड टू गेट अ रिंग लाइट इफ पॉसिबल बिकॉज दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जगह बहुत कम लेती है, लाइटिंग आपको बहुत सुंदर देती है. एंड इफ यू आर कंसिडरिंग यू नो डूइंग आउटडोर शूट्स, इंडोर शूट्स या इवन अगर आप मेकअप में हो, तो अगर आप makeup artist ho, so you would like a light that is very portable and I feel personally ring lights are the way for it. So definitely invest into one. Another personal favorite that I genuinely feel is like a complete game changer and a lot of content creators especially for reel like जो short format videos होते हैं उसके लिए लोग use कर रहे हैं, वो है एक portable light. Now when I saw this I was like oh my god I need to get this because again लाइक यू कैन सी मैंने अभी भी एक प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल लाइटिंग सेटअप किया है जिसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगी. Every mother and their influencer at this point have spoken about this. If you don't know, this is a portable light. You get this from Amazon and it comes with a nice clip. Now the clip is also very nice and safe, so you can easily put it on your phone. You know what? Okay, I don't seem to have my phone on me because it's currently charging. But for instance, if this is your phone, all you have to do is easily clap this on and it will stay. You can easily vlog, you can shoot and it is so beautiful, so portable, so lightweight. I absolutely enjoy and even the material on here, it's safe for your phone. You know, it's not going to scratch it, it's not going to hurt it. And the best part is, you know, you can like tilt it however you want and you don't get that many buttons with this. You just have to like long press and look at the difference. Look at the difference and this is on minimum. As you can see इसको आप कम भी कर सकते हो, इसको आप ज़्यादा भी कर सकते हो. इसके ऊपर आप येलो लाइटिंग भी मिक्स कर सकते हो. So you get a mixture of yellow and white. So depending on how much light you need, like without the light, with the light, like wow. I think I should add this in my video. And the best part is, you know what, कि इसमें batteries नहीं लगती. All you have to do is literally charge it like your phone. And I don't even remember last time मैंने इसको कब charge किया था. But you know what, I'm gonna just clip it on my camera now and just increase the light. And ooh, I am loving how my video is looking now. Like I wish I'd done it sooner. But देखा, मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ आप सबके साथ. And a lot of things you have to experiment. And when you watch videos on the internet, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. Background lights है, 3-point light है. फलाना ढिमकाना. So yeah, you have to start baby steps. So अगर आपको लगता है कि ring light is a bigger investment for you, या फिर आपको YouTube पे नहीं करना है, you just want to stick to short format videos, then definitely get your hands on this portable light. Now talking about my current light setup, this has taken me like 7-8 साल, एंड दैट टू बिकॉज मैंने अपना खुद का पॉडकास्ट चालू किया था मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ. इफ यू हैवंट सीन माई पॉडकास्ट, प्लीज चेक इट आउट. इट्स कॉल्ड Uhlala, and I'm gonna leave a link for our videos and episodes in the description for that as well. By the way, ये वीडियो का डिस्क्रिप्शन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, so definitely सब कुछ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. But when we started doing Uhlala, we knew we wanted to get like a professional setup, and we also knew we wanted to do it at home because studio का खर्चा बहुत expensive होता है, and it's literally a start up. So that's when we decided to invest into umbrella lights that I'm currently using. I'm gonna definitely give you like an overview of all of my setup. Let me know if you want me to do like how I set and shoot my YouTube video for you. I would love to do that. But currently I'm using 2 umbrella lights, and those are lights from 2 sides because ring light मेरी जो होती थी ना, वो मेरे सिर्फ शक्ल के सामने होती थी. तो मेरा ये साइड का जो बैकग्राउंड है या फिर जो मेरा वॉल है वो काफ़ी डल एंड डार्क दिखता था, एंड एवरी टाइम आई ट्राई टू फिक्स दैट, लाइक यू नो, उसको गोरा करते रहते मेरी शक्ल गोरी हो जाती थी, तो वो एडिटिंग में तो मैं बैलेंस कभी कर ही नहीं पाई. सो नाउ विद दीज लाइट्स, दे आर लाइक फ्रॉम 2 साइड्स, राइट. सो मेरे दोनों साइड से लाइट पड़ रही है, एंड विद नाउ दिस छोटो लाइट इज जस्ट लाइक चेरी ऑन द केक. नाउ आई हैव लाइट्स फ्रॉम all 3 sides, and whatever you are seeing in the video are like the truest colors, which as a makeup content creator is very important. अगर मैं आपको कुछ शेड दिखा रही हूँ, मैं अगर आपको कुछ स्क्रीन पर दिखा रही हूँ, I want it to come off as real as possible. So yeah, this is my current setup. Number 3 on the list we have is mics. Now I know everybody is wondering, do we need a mic, do we not need a mic? Very honestly I feel आज के phones में बहुत बढ़िया inbuilt mic है, तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Even with my Canon, I didn't really feel the need of an external mic. For that matter, even my Sony is doing really amazing without a mic. But of course, if you are into singing and you know you want a particular kind of crispness in your audio, when we especially were doing podcasts, we did get those external mics that worked really fantastic for us. But again, उसका setup बहुत intense है, and मैं videos करती हूँ fun के लिए, and those things I'm not yet familiar with. तो I would personally say कि mics are not that much of an essential, but if you are looking out for a really good mic, I found this a wireless mic which is I think just for 2500, which honestly, believe me, बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया प्राइस है. इसका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. आई थिंक मैंने किसी यूट्यूबर के रिकमेंडेशन में ये सुना था, एंड आई एम पर्सनली लुकिंग आउट टू गेट वन फॉर माई सेल्फ इफ आई एवर हैपन टू ब्रिंग अ फ्रेंड ओवर, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू द होल पॉडकास्ट वाला माइक सेटअप एंड ऑडियो. देन this mic setup that I'm going to link in the description and also put a picture up on the screen if I find one is a perfect one. इसका quality काफ़ी अच्छा है, इसकी reviews काफ़ी बढ़िया है, and just like that, now it's time for the final but yet a very important element while shooting your YouTube videos, and that, you guys, is tripod. Oh my god, tripods are such an essential, and please, for the love of God, do not cheap out on this, because आपके ये सस्ते ट्राइपॉड पे आपका महंगा फोन, कैमरा, बहुत सारी महंगी चीजें रखने वाले हो आप. So this is not the place you want to cut down your budget. Cut down your budget on mic, but not with the tripod. Like not with the tripod, because मैंने देखा है, मैंने जब भी अपना महंगा वाला कैमरा एक सस्ते वाले ट्राइपॉड पे रखा था, पिघल गया वो ट्राइपॉड, like not literally, but that tripod just flipped, and thank God I was close to my camera, so I held it tight. But yeah, after that I have this extreme nightmare कि नहीं, ये तो हरकत करनी ही नहीं है, crisis नहीं है. So yes, please get a really good, nice, sturdy tripod, especially for your camera. When it comes to your lights, cheap is good. Cheap is better. Cheap is actually the best, क्योंकि it becomes easy for us to carry. Especially मेरे जो ये umbrella lights है, उसका जो tripod आया है जो मैंने Amazon से खरीदा था, वो काफ़ी हल्का है, काफ़ी flimsy है. अगर मुझे इसके साथ travel करना है बहुत easily हो जाता है. But उन tripods के ऊपर मैं गलती से भी अपना कैमरा नहीं लगाऊंगी, गलती से भी नहीं. With that being said, if you are someone who is more into vlogs and you don't need like a proper full-length professional tripod, then you can definitely think of investing into this beauty right here. here. Now this is a Gorilla tripod. Now actually Gorilla tripod is I think a brand name, but I have gotten this from Amazon. This is Amazon Basics का, and this is just perfect. Like आप इसको कैसा भी twist करो, कैसे भी कुछ भी करो इसके साथ, it just sticks. And I absolutely love that part because you know this is portable. I mostly whenever I'm vlogging, this is my vlogging essential. There are a lot of people who also use that selfie stick and tripod situation, but personally again I find it very flimsy. I would rather have my phone / my camera on this and you know have it at different angles than to cheap out and use that, because again बहुत हल्का है वो. Because I have tried those and whenever I would do the selfie part it's fine, but whenever I would use it as a tripod my phone will fall off, and like I'm not about that life. Like sorry, don't do that mistake. Don't damage your expensive goods for the sake of a cheap tripod. Please don't do that mistake. And well, just like that is a wrap for today's video. I really hope आज का वीडियो आपको helpful लगा होगा, and if you have a friend who's looking to start off as a content creator and think this video might help them too, then please don't hesitate and share with them this video. That would really mean a world to me. And also if you like what you saw so far, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, because काफी सस्ता है एक्चुअली, वो टोटली फ्री है. अब तो आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा फॉर दैट लेम डैडी जोक, बट येस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट ऑन द बेल नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट यू आर अपडेटेड एवरी टाइम आई एम ऑनलाइन. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया. मैं काफी एक्टिव हूँ वहाँ पे भी, सो द लिंक्स फॉर दैट विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आई एम ऑल्सो एक्टिव ऑन स्नैपचैट गाइज, जस्ट सेइंग. एंड येस दैट्स अ रैप. आई विल सी यू वेरी सून. अंटिल देन टेक केयर. बाय गाइज.